Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rebiana. So today Alipearl Hair was able to send me one of their headband wig units. Now I'm not even about to lie, I was about to be like, no, I'm not doing it. But I'm glad that I did because I think this is actually one of the best headband wigs that I've reviewed on my YouTube channel, you guys. I love the fullness of this wig unit and I also love the curl pattern. Also, Alipearl is like one of my top hair vendors that I love to work with. You guys know that I love full hair and my channel is all about like full hair anyway. So I love that they offer very full wigs. So what I mean by that is like 200% density or 250% density. Now I'm not exactly sure of the density of this, but I will leave everything down in the description box for you guys so that you guys could see it. But yeah, but for the most part, this is a very cute wig. I love the length on it. This is actually the very first time that a company sent me a very long headband wig unit. So yes, they have full wigs, you guys, and they also have long wigs. So this is the 30 inches. And I am sitting down, you guys, but sitting down, it does touch my, I guess the top of my butt, I guess I would say. But it's a super full wig and it is long. So what you're seeing is pretty much what you get. I also love it because they sent me over this very cute headband. Like all the companies have been sending me like things like this. And it's just like not trendy, but this one here is super trendy and I love that they included this into my packaging. But anyways, I just want to let you guys know that I am having a wig sale. Now I'm not sure if this one is going in there because I think that this is way too cute to be trying to give away. I need a couple of more wears out of this. It's super cute, you guys. Like out of all the headband wigs, this one is like the best one that I've already reviewed and I think you guys should look into it. Again, I love Alipearl Hair for offering the extended lengths and the extended densities that a lot of these companies just don't offer. So gray shirt. I just knew that I was gonna get one of these little cute headbands. Thank you. See, this is why I like Alipearl's hair. Like they have full density wigs, you guys, and look at this accessory. Like no hair company hasn't sent me something this cute. I know that these are in styles, so this is super cute. They've been sending those little lace looking ones or these ones, but this is it. This is the type of headband that I would like to receive. So thank you, Alipearl, for that. They also sent an adjustable strap wig cap, which I already have mine on today because, yeah. And then they sent me a baby hair wrap. Ooh, this is hard to get off. I guess that's a good quality Velcro. Okay, so their headband wigs come with clips. So they're the bendable ones. That's different. I haven't received one like this before. And there's also, let's see, is it all around? So it's 2 in the back right here and then you get 3 in the front. So I'm gonna see how this works. It's probably more secure than the combs. Yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and put it on, you guys. It's going to be super quick and easy. push this back like this because it's actually really secure to my head right here. So pull this out. Wet it a little bit, but I do like the curls that it has. Super soft, and also can run my fingers straight through, but I don't want it to look like a frizzy mess, so I'm just gonna like wet it a little bit so I can see what the actual, oh shit, you know, the actual curls really look like for this wig, because this is not washed. over this headband here. I think that this headband is super cute. I'm glad that I put on gray today. So yeah, gonna put this one on. And with this one here, it's just velvet in the inside, you guys. It doesn't have like the combs in it. So I'm gonna see how this is, because usually with these kind of headbands, they kind of like fall off your head. So yeah. Oh, this is so stinking cute. This is so cute. I love this. Okay, let me fix my hairs. Child, I needed gel and all type of other stuff for my baby hairs. Like, girl, I don't want to put it on there though. I'll take my makeup off. Cute. I have to keep this wig for myself. I don't think this is going in the wig sale because this is so cute. Yes, I love this so much. This is so cute. Thank you, Alipearl. Alipearl always comes through. Like, their wigs are always super freaking thick. Like, it's amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's super quick. The headband wigs are always super quick to put on and go. You guys can wear this to the grocery store, to the gym, outside workouts, everything that's pretty much convenient to go to Home Goods, girl, wherever you go. I think this is super cute. I feel like this look, I could wear this if I wanted to go and hang out, like go to the bars or something. I think this is a super cute look. I think that if it's super long and your headband is super bomb, then I think that you could pull it off to go out to the clubs and to the bars and stuff like that with your friends and things like that. So thank you guys again over at Alipearl's Hair for sending me over this cute headband wig. Again, y'all, this is the best one. The luster, the quality, the curls, the density, the length, everything bomb. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.